welcome. I am so excited to start you off with this really great song that is designed to teach you excellent technique from the very beginning. It's important that you first learn not to play with your fingers, but how to connect with our body. And so we're going to close our fist with this song. And as you strike the keys, I want you to feel what it feels like all the way through your torso, your hips, everything in your body is going to connect with those keys. Let's go ahead and get started. Finish this song and then we'll get started on part 2 and I'll show you some more things. All right, when you open this first song, you will see a ton of things you just ignore. There are 7 sharps and 4/4 time. We're just going to focus on teaching you this song by rote, so you don't actually have to learn to read music right now. And we're going to do it in sections. This is a roll up, another roll up, and then a roll down, and a roll down. I think we need to first start with this ending section. So if you click down here on the Learn mode, you'll notice there is a Start Here button. The ending has 2 parts, the slow and the fast. We're going to first start with the slow. This first note, you don't actually need to read the notes. I'm going to show you on my piano here with the camera how to play this. Let me just start the practice button here and it will follow along with the notes. So you find the set of 2 and you play with your finger right here. Just choose one finger and make sure your finger is curved and that when you press the key that everything is supported and you can feel this through your whole body. So don't press flat like that. You want to definitely have a curved finger. And then you'll just play this black note here, go to the white note, the black note here, the white note here, and then the black, black, black. Remember, this is the one note you skip when you go black, white, black, white, black, black, black. And on the screen, you will see feedback when you're connected to your piano. I got 0 notes wrong, but it took me 8 seconds, and that's why I only got a 77%. I will try that again. Black, white, black, white, black, black, black. Now you see the second time through, I've got a 100% at 3.4 seconds. Now I am ready to learn it with the rhythm. So just press on play.
1, 2,
we'll play it in time. Black, white, black, white, black, black, black. If you get all of them correct, it will give you a 100% and you will see it move to the fast one. So the next thing I do is try to play that fast.
1, 2, set, go.
And now you can see I have the ending perfected and I'm ready for the whole song. So the first part of this song starts off with a roll up, and I'll just show you how to do it. Close your fist, roll up, and remember to use really good technique. We're going to connect with the whole body. We're going to roll up twice, and then we're going to roll down twice. Then we're going to roll up twice. And then, of course, we already learned the ending, which is black, white, black, white, black, black, black. Let's first start that in the Learn mode. And here we go. Roll up twice. Roll down twice. Black, white, black, white, black, black, black. And I will get my score 100%, and that means I am now ready to learn the notes with the rhythm.
1, 2,
follow
set,
along if you'd
go.
like on your piano. Give me a little introduction, and in time, roll up. Roll up twice, and roll down twice. Finish. Now that was the slow version, and you can see some of my rhythm was off, so I'd want to do that again until I got that right. In the top left, it keeps track of your progress. I'm 75% complete with this song. Once you finish learning all of these, you will be able to play this song really well and move on to the next song.